What's up guys, and welcome back to FOSS Institute. And today I am back again with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to remove a background on Paint. So the first thing I will show you is that how to add an image. You just click option from the image, then you go to open with. We come here to open with, then we go straight to Paint. So I will be removing the background using Paint, and I will be doing it as fast as I can. It is totally free. You don't have to stress a lot. Okay, let's wait a little bit until like the image appears. Now the image is here on Paint, and you can see Paint is already opened but still loading a little bit. I don't know why my laptop is kind of slow right now. Okay, it's downloading. It's just like it was showing me like the top view of the image. Okay, this is the picture I'll be using, and I have to remove the background. I have to remove the background as fast as I can. So firstly, you gotta know like the kind of the background that you want for your image. So the first thing you have to do, just click Control A, then to select everything in the image, click Control X to cut everything on your image. Then you can go straight to the Paint. Then you can choose like the color, the background color you want for your thing. If you want green, you can select green. I want this color, light yellow. Let me just put light yellow. Any color you want, you can put it there on your background. Then you click Control V, because I have already cut. Then I'm pasting everything. Then this is your photo will be on top of that yellow background. So the yellow background, like the light yellow background, it was the first layer. Then I'm putting this as the second layer. So all I have to come straight to this thing, remove background. If you cannot see it, you come here to the top, you just select that thing, you just click it. It will just start loading. If you see this thing blue thing around it, it is loading, and after loading it will just remove the background for you automatically. Totally free. You didn't have to pay anything. You can then boom, I'm just finished removing my background. Now I can just come here, save my image. It is totally free, and I hope you guys you'll be using this to remove your background. It is 100% free. You don't have to pay. You can save your image, and there will be no logo on the corner of anything. It is totally free. You can remove your background just like that. Thank you so much guys for watching this one. I hope to see you on the next one. Bless.